If your iCloud stops syncing photos, don't worry. This video will provide detailed solutions to help you troubleshoot and ensure that your photos can be uploaded smoothly. Fix 1. Check network connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a Wi-Fi network. Reset network settings. Go to Settings, General, Reset Network Settings. Fix 2. Check device battery. Check battery level. Look at the battery percentage in the top right corner of the screen to ensure it's sufficient. Charge. If the battery is below 20, connect to a power source to charge. Turn off low power mode. Go to Settings, Battery, turn off low power mode. Consider battery replacement. If the battery is severely degraded, it may affect device performance even when fully charged. It's recommended to consult Apple's official or authorized service center for battery replacement. Fix 3. Check your Apple ID. To check your Apple ID, go to Settings, your name to verify if the currently logged in Apple ID is correct. If the Apple ID is incorrect or the login status is abnormal, sign out and sign in again. Navigate to Settings, your name, scroll down and tap Sign Out, then follow the prompts to sign in again. Fix 4. Check iCloud Photos settings. Step 1. Open Settings, your name, iCloud Photos. Step 2. Make sure iCloud Photos is turned on or turn it off and turn it back on again. Fix 5. Check iCloud storage. Step 1. Open the Settings app. Step 2. Tap on your Apple ID profile at the top of the screen. Step 3. Select iCloud. The top bar will display your current iCloud storage and the remaining available space used for storing uploaded photos and videos. If the space is insufficient, you can delete unnecessary backups, app data, or photos to free up space. Alternatively, you can consider upgrading your iCloud storage plan. Fix 6. Check the Apple System status page. iCloud not updating photos can occur due to disruptions. Sometimes Apple's servers may experience issues. You can visit the Apple System status page to check for any service outages. If you see a red dot, it indicates that the service is disrupted, and you should wait patiently for Apple to resolve the issue. Fix 7. Update your iOS version. Step 1. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. Step 2. If an update is available, tap on the Download and Install button and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the update process. Fix 8. Restart the iPhone. Step 1. Press and hold the power and volume buttons together until a slider appears on your screen. Step 2. Slide the switch to turn off your device. Step 3. After a short break, press and hold the power button again to turn your device back on. Fix 9. Contact Apple support. If none of the above methods resolve the issue, it could be a more complex issue. You may need to contact Apple's official customer support or visit an Apple store for professional help to obtain more specific solutions and personalized support. Fix 10. Backup iPhone photos to PC. With Coolmuster iOS Assistant, you can quickly transfer photos to your computer without any need for an internet connection or worrying about storage space limitations. Step 1. Download, install, and launch this software on your computer. Connect your iPhone to your computer via a USB cable. Step 2. Hit the Trust option on your iPhone and Continue option on your computer. Once connected successfully, you will see the main interface of this tool. Step 3. Click the Photos category on the left panel and select and preview the photos you want to transfer on the right panel. After that, click the Export button to transfer your iPhone photos to your computer.